So now we are doing MHT CET revision part 9. We have done up to problem 195. So now 196. Question 196. Parabola is given x square plus 4x plus 2y. We have to find the equation of lattice rectum. We make it a perfect square. X plus 2 the whole square is minus 2 times y minus 2. This is like capital X square equal to minus 4b times capital Y. Capital X is x plus 2. Capital Y is y minus 2 and 4b equal to 2. So b equal to 1 by 2. This is vertical parabola. Opening downwards. So focus S will be 0 comma minus b and equation of lattice rectum will be y equal to minus b, that is capital Y equal to minus b. Capital Y is y minus 2, b is half. So y will become 2 minus half, y equal to 3 by 2, that is 2y minus 3 equal to 0. That is the equation of lattice rectum. 2y minus 3 equal to 0. कैपिटल y इक्वल टू माइनस बी आएगा. ये वाला पैराबोला है. ये स्टैंडर्ड है. 0 कॉमा माइनस बी आएगा. ऑलराइट, लेकिन यहां पे कैपिटल x इक्वल टू 0 एंड कैपिटल y इक्वल टू माइनस बी. सो y माइनस 2, y इज y माइनस 2, b इज हाफ. सो 2y माइनस 3 इज द आंसर. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला. वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पे होगा, इसका वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पे नहीं आएगा. 197. Distance between the foci is 8 and distance between the directrices is 6. We want the length of lattice rectum. Distance between the foci is 2AE, that is 8, and distance between the directrices is 2A by E, that is 6. We want length LL dash, that is 2B square by A. Here we'll multiply these two. So 2AE into 2A by E equal to 8 into 6. ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. E gets cancelled. We get 4A square equal to 48. So A square will be 12. Since 2AE is 8, therefore AE will be 4. So A square E square will be 16. A square E square for hyperbola is A square plus B square. A square is 12. So B square will be 4. A square 12 है तो A will be root 12, that is 2 root 3. We want length LL dash, that is 2b square by a. 2 times b square is 4 upon a is 2 root 3. 2 gets cancelled. आंसर आएगा 4 upon root 3. 4 upon root 3 is option B. (198) An arc is in the form of a semi-ellipse. Arc is in the form of semi-ellipse. It is 8 meters wide. Width is 8 meters. It is 8 meters wide. And 2 meters high at the center. तो ये फोर हो जाएगा. लेट अस अज्यूम द इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स एज स्टैंडर्ड इलिप्स ले लेंगे. देयरफॉर ए विल बी 4 एंड बी विल बी 2. A, this is A and this is B. A will be 4 and B will be 2. Alright. Now we have to find the height of arc at the point 1.5 meters from one end. This is one end of the arc, 1.5 meters. So this height will be, this distance will be 2.5. Let us assume the height is k. So this point here will have coordinates 2.5 comma k. A is 4, so 4 square is 16 and B square, B is 2, that is LCM लेंगे तो x square plus 4y square equal to 16. Since P 5 by 2 comma k lies on the ellipse, therefore coordinates of P will satisfy equation of ellipse. That is 5 by 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4k स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 16. दैट इज 25 by 4 plus 4k square equal to 16. So 4k square will become 16 minus 25 by 4. This is 64 minus 25 upon 4. This will make it 65 minus 25 is 40, 39. रूट 39 by 4. ये रूट 39 by 4 जो है ना वो ऑप्शंस में नहीं है, तो रूट 39 का वैल्यू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6.3 ले लो. रूट 36 जो है वो 6 है ना, तो ये 6.3 ले लो. इसको अगर डिवाइड करेंगे 6.3 को 4 से तो 1.5 आएगा. ऑलराइट, ये 6.2 भी ले सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, 6.2 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 विल बिकम 3.1 divided by 2, that is 1.55, that is approximately 1.56. So the height of the arc will be 1.56 meters. We have to find this height. We are given that it is 8 meters wide and 2 meters high at the center. ये 8 मीटर से हमने एलिप्स का इक्वेशन अज्यूम किया x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर. सो दिस बिकम्स द ओरिजिन. तो ये 4 होगा और ये 2 होगा, मतलब a विल बी 4, b विल बी 2. वो वैल्यूज को सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे तो एलिप्स का इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा. और ये डिस्टेंस दिया है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट एट 1.5 मीटर्स फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द एंड. तो ये 1.5 है, टोटल 4 है, तो ये 2.5 हो जाएगा. करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट हमने k अज्यूम किया, तो पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट होगा 2.5 कॉमा k. वो 2.5 को मैंने 5/2 लिखा है. इट विल सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन. तो आपको k का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. $199. This was 198. Option D is the answer. Now 199. Eccentricity of hyperbola. Hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. We are given E is 5/4. So E square will be 25/16. ये फोकस आएगा AE, 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ फोकल कॉर्ड इज 2x प्लस 3y माइनस 6. Focus lies on the focal cord. Therefore 2AE minus 0 plus 0 minus 6. So AE will become 3. So A square E square will be 9. So A square plus B square will be 9. This is 9A square plus 9B square equal to 81. Or we want transverse axis. So let us calculate the value of A rather than value of B. 16A square plus 16B square is equal to 16 9s are 144. That is 16A square plus how much is 16B square? 9A square. Therefore 25A square is 144. So A square will be 144 upon 25. So A will be 12 upon 5. Therefore length of transverse axis will be 2A will be 24 divided by 5. आंसर आएगा 24/5. लेंथ ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स एक्सिस आएगा 24/5. नेक्स्ट 200. एरिया इन स्क्वायर यूनिट्स ऑफ द सर्कल विच टचेस द लाइन्स. L1 is 4x plus 3y equal to 15 means minus 15 equal to 0, and L2 is 4x plus 3y minus 5. Slope of L1 equal to slope of L2 means L1 parallel to L2. Therefore, distance between L1 and L2 is equal to diameter. Therefore, diameter will be distance between the parallel lines, that is minus 15 plus 5 upon root of, so diameter D will be minus 10 upon 5, mod of minus 2 will be 2, therefore radius will be 1. So area of circle will be pi r square, pi into 1 square. आंसर आएगा पाई, आंसर आएगा पाई, पाई स्क्वायर यूनिट्स, ऑप्शन डी 2199 में भी आएगा डी. $201. In a class of 30 pupils, so NS is 30. 12 students have taken chemistry. Number of students who have taken chemistry are 12. Number of students who have taken physics are 16. Number of students who have taken history are 18. We are given all 30 students have taken at least one subject, means N of C union P union H is equal to NS, all 30, and there is no student who has taken all 3 subjects, means common part is 0. We want number of students who have taken 2 subjects. Now we know the formula, N of C union P union H equal to N of C, N of P, N of H then N of C intersection P, P intersection H, H intersection C, and plus N of C intersection P intersection H. We know this 7-step wala formula. This is 30. What is N of C? Given 12. Then N of P is 16 plus 18 minus now what does this signify? C intersection P means chemistry and physics, physics and history and chemistry. That represents number of students who have taken 2 subjects. So that is what we have to find. Alright. So now this 30 and 30 will cancel. तो आएगा 16 is equal to N of 2 subjects. आंसर आएगा 16. ये पूरा इधर ले लेंगे. So number of students who have taken 2 subjects will be 16. Number of students who have taken 2 subjects will be 16. We know this formula, A union B union C is Na plus Nb plus Nc, N of A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A and A intersection B intersection C. उसमें ये 0 है. We are given that all the students have taken at least one subject. मतलब number of students who have taken at least one subject are 30. Alright, and we have to find number of students who have taken 2 subjects. This is chemistry, physics, physics, history, history and chemistry. 202. Fx is root x and gx is 2x minus 3. We want domain of f of gx. डोमेन का मतलब होता है सेट ऑफ x वैल्यूज. सो वी रिप्लेस x by gx. f of gx will be root of gx. So f o gx will be root of 2x minus 3. Since we have to find what values x can take. We know square root of negative numbers is not defined. Therefore, 2x minus 3 has to be greater than 0. So, 2x greater than equal to 3. So, x greater than equal to 3 by 2. So, domain आएगा greater than 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 to infinity. It is including 3 by 2. So, 3 by 2 comma infinity. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी. 203. fx is equal to cos x minus sin x. We want range of f. We can multiply and divide by root 2. This will become root 2 times cos x cos pi by 4 sin x sin pi by 4. This is root 2 times cos x plus pi by 4. Now we know value of cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. Cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. So cos x plus pi by 4 will also lie between minus 1 and 1. We multiply by root 2. So fx will lie between minus root 2 to root 2. So range will be the range of f will be minus root 2 to root 2. ऑप्शन आएगा डी. टू 204. We want period of this function. Period means after what time does it get repeated. All right, here we are given the options. It is 2 pi, 2 pi by 5, 10 pi, and D option is 5 pi. We replace x by 2 pi plus x or x plus 2 pi. This will become f of x plus 2 pi sine of sine will become sine of sine this is not equal to sine of sine x by 5. Now replace x by x plus 2 pi by 5. So what will be f of x plus 2 pi by 5 will become sine of sine x plus 2 pi by 5 upon 5, that is sine of sine x by 5 plus 2 pi by 25. Again not equal to we replace x by x plus 5 pi. तो क्या होगा f of x plus 5 pi will be sine of sine x plus 5 pi upon 5. This will be sine of sine pi plus x by 5. This will be sine of minus sine x by 5 not equal to so option A is not there, all right, option B also not there, option C not there, so D is the answer. Option D is the answer. ऑप्शन डी इज इनफैक्ट ये सी में 10 पाई है तो यहां पे 10 पाई आएगा, तो यहां पे आएगा x बाई 5 प्लस 2 पाई, 2 पाई प्लस समथिंग इज सेम थिंग ना, साइन ऑफ 360 प्लस थीटा इज साइन थीटा ओनली, सो दिस इज साइन ऑफ x बाई 5. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. ये पहले 2 पाई चेक किया तो x के बदले x प्लस 2 पाई लिखा, फिर 2 पाई बाई 5 तो x प्लस 2 पाई बाई 5, फिर 10 पाई, सो x प्लस 10 पाई. ऑलराइट, तो यहां पे साइन ऑफ 360 प्लस थीटा इज साइन थीटा, सो दिस मैचेस विद द क्वेश्चन, मीन्स आफ्टर एन इंटरवल ऑफ 10 पाई. All right, therefore period is 10 pi. After a period of 10 pi the function repeats itself. जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू है fx का वही वैल्यू f of x plus 10 pi का आया. All right, मतलब period is 10 pi. 10 pi is the period. Option C is the right answer. Two 205. G is equal to F inverse and F dash x is cos x, then G dash x equal to let y equal to f of x. So ये f को इधर ले लिया तो f inverse y will become x. F inverse y will be x, but we are given g is f inverse. So instead of f inverse we are writing g. Alright, now what is y? Fx. So dy by dx will be f dash x, but we are given f dash x is cos x. Therefore dy by dx becomes cos x. We know this formula. Dx by dy is 1 upon dy by dx, that is 1 by cos x, that is sec x. Now यहाँ पे मैं y का वैल्यू x का वैल्यू लिख रहा हूं दोनों जगह पे. What is x? g of y. So d by dy of g of y will be sec of gy. gy का डेरिवेटिव with respect to y is g dash y, that is sec of gy. We don't want g dash y, we want g dash x. तो आंसर आएगा sec of gx. आंसर आएगा sec of gx. ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी इज द आंसर. टू 206. A and B are two events of a sample space S. We want P of A intersection B dash. We know P of A is P of A intersection B plus A intersection B dash. We know this formula. Either the event A will occur with B or it will occur with B dash. So P of A minus P of A intersection B will become A intersection B dash. That is the answer. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Next. Two 207. Probability of choosing number C. There is a quadratic equation given x square plus 4x plus c equal to 0. This is like ax square plus bx, where a is 1, b is 4, capital C is small c. We want real roots. That is b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. b square is 4 square. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is small c. 4 times a is 1, c is that is 16 minus 4c greater than 0, that is minus 4c greater than minus 16. So c will become less than c will be less than 4. All right. Now c we have to choose from this set. So ns will be 9 and we have to take c less than 4. So c can take values 1, 2 and 3. Therefore n of c will be 3. Therefore p of c will be nc upon ns, 3 upon 9. आंसर आएगा 1 upon 3. आंसर आएगा 1 upon 3. ऑप्शन सी. 208. A and B are two events such that P of A dash is 0.3. So P of A will be 0.7 and P of B is 0.4. So P of B dash will be 0.6 and we are given P of A intersection B dash is 0.5. We have to find P of A union B dash. We know the formula for P of A union B, PA plus PB minus P of A intersection B. यहाँ पे सिर्फ B के जगह पे B dash है. Alright, so we have to find this. This is 0.7, 0.6 minus 0.5. आंसर आएगा 0.8. A union B dash. आंसर आएगा 0.8. ऑप्शन बी. टू 209. Committee of 5 to be formed from a group of 9 people. Therefore ns will be 9c5, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 gets cancelled, 4 2s are 8 gets cancelled, 3 and 6 will cancel to give you 2, will give you 126. A is the event that a married couple will either serve together or not at all. इसका मतलब है वो 9 पीपल में से एक हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ है, सपोज विराट एंड अनुष्का. ऑलराइट, तो उन्होंने कंडीशन रखा है कि या तो दोनों काम करेंगे या दोनों काम नहीं करेंगे. आइदर दे विल सर्व टुगेदर और नॉट एट ऑल. करेंगे तो दोनों काम करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे तो दोनों में से कोई भी काम नहीं करेगा. तो ये एन ऑफ ए आएगा 2c2. 2c2 का मतलब विराट को भी लिया, अनुष्का को भी लिया. ऑलराइट, टोटल कितना परसेंट सिलेक्ट करना है? 5. सो 5 इज टू बी सिलेक्टेड. हमने सिर्फ 2 ही सिलेक्ट किया है. ऑलराइट, आउट ऑफ 9. 9 में से दो को तो ले लिया, मतलब बचा कितना? 7. 7 में से 3 को लेना पड़ेगा. 2c2 मतलब विराट एंड अनुष्का आ गए. 7c3 का मतलब 9 में से 2 को सिलेक्ट किया तो 7 बच गए. 7 में से 3 को लेना है. दिस इज आइदर बोथ आर टुगेदर, या दोनों को नहीं लेंगे, मतलब वो दोनों में से एक भी नहीं लेंगे. सो 2c0 विराट और अनुष्का दोनों को नहीं लेंगे, और बाकी 7 में से 5 को लेना पड़े, 5 को लेना पड़ेगा. योर 2c2 इज 1, 7c3 इज 2c0 is 1 and 7c2, here 7c5 is same as 7c2 by complementary combinations. This is 7c2. So now 7c2 will become 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6 and 6 will cancel. This will make it 3. तो आएगा 35 plus 21 will become 56. So P of A will be N of A upon NS will become 56 divided by 126. Alright, 14 4s are 56 and 14 9s are. ऑलराइट, आंसर आएगा 4/9. आंसर आएगा 4/9. ऑप्शन सी. ऑप्शन सी. 2c2 का मतलब विराट अनुष्का दोनों को लिया. टोटल 5 को सिलेक्ट करना है, 2 को सिलेक्ट किया तो 3 रह गया, और टोटल 9 है, उसमें से 2 इधर गया तो 7 बचेगा. यहां पे दोनों को सिलेक्ट नहीं किया है. सो 2c0 और बचा कितना? 5 सिलेक्ट करना है और 7% बच गया तो 7c5. नाउ 7c5 इज सेम एज 7c2 बाय कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कॉम्बिनेशंस. 210. $210. 4 boys and 2 girls, that is 6 persons are to be arranged. So NS will be 6p6, that is 6 factorial. We want the 2 girls to be together. So 4 boys and 1 group of 2 girls, that is 5 objects. We can arrange them in 5p5 ways. Alright, 4 boys and 1 group of 2 girls, that is 4 plus 1, 5 objects. 5 objects can be arranged among themselves in 5p5 ways, and the 2 girls can be interchanged. So 2p2, Sita Gita या Gita Sita. Alright, this is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. This 6 factorial is 6 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial into 2, 6 into 5 factorial. आंसर आएगा 1/3. आंसर आएगा 1/3. नेक्स्ट 211. वन अपॉन b minus a plus 1 upon b minus c is equal to 1 upon A plus 1 by C. We are asked whether ABC are in AP, GP, HP or AGP. Let us simplify this. ये 1 by C को इधर लिया और ये B minus C को उधर ले लिया. Now take LCM. C times B minus A. न्यूमरेटर में आएगा C minus B plus A. इधर आएगा B minus C minus A and A times this is C plus A minus B upon BC minus AC equal to minus of C plus A minus B upon AB minus AC. ये माइनस कॉमन ले लिया, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो आएगा AB माइनस AC इज इक्वल टू माइनस BC प्लस AC. Therefore AB plus BC is equal to 2AC. B common, A plus C is equal to 2AC. So B is equal to 2AC upon A plus C. This is the formula for harmonic mean. So implies B is the harmonic mean of A and C, implies A, B and C are in HP. A, B and C are in HP. ऑप्शन आएगा B. ऑप्शन आएगा B. This first step is important here. अगर आपने रेगुलर एलसीएम लिया, इधर एलसीएम और इधर भी एलसीएम लिया तो नहीं आएगा आंसर, डिफिकल्ट होगा लाना. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट 212. 8 raised to 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus cos cube x up to infinity is 64. Now this is a GP in which A equal to 1, R equal to cos x by 1, that is cos x. We know cos x lies between minus 1 and 1. Therefore, mod R, mod of cos x, mod R less than 1. Therefore, sum up to infinity will be S equal to A upon 1 minus R, that is 1 upon 1 minus cos x. Therefore 8 raised to 1 upon 1 minus cos x equal to 8 raised to 2. ये सम अप टू इंफिनिटी है न्यूमरेटर, इसमें ये जो पावर है, ये पावर जो है दैट इज योर सम अप टू इंफिनिटी. सो बाय कंपेयरिंग वी गेट 1 upon 1 minus cos x equal to 2. So 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 cos x, that is 2 cos x equal to 1, means cos x equal to half. So x will be either plus pi by 3 or minus pi by 3. Cos 60 is half. Option आएगा B. 213. 1 plus 4/5, 7/5 square, 10/5 cube up to infinity. This is 1 into 1, 4 into 1/5, 7 into 1 upon 5 square, 10 into 1 upon 5 cube up to infinity. This is an AGP. ये जो पहला वाला नंबर्स है 1, 4, 7, 10 दे आर फॉर्मिंग एन AP एंड जो सेकेंड नंबर्स है दे आर फॉर्मिंग अ GP. This is AP, this is GP. This is the AGP in which A will be 1, D will be 4 minus 1, 3 and R will be 1/5 upon 1 will be 1/5. Mod R will be mod of 1/5 will be 1/5 less than 1. So S will become A upon 1 minus R sum up to infinity, all right, plus D into R upon 1 minus R the whole square. A is 1, 1 minus 1/5, D is 3, R is 1/5. So simplifying we get 1 upon 4/5 and 3/5 upon 4/5 का square. So this will become 5/4, 3/5 upon 16/25. This will become 5/4 plus 15/16. तो आएगा 20 plus 15/16. 35/16 is the answer. 214. We are given PQRR in GP. Means Q square will become P into R, and we are given tan inverse P, tan inverse Q, tan inverse R, R in AP. Therefore 2 tan inverse Q will become tan inverse P plus tan inverse R. This is tan inverse of 2Q upon, this is tan inverse P plus R upon 1 minus PR. So comparing we get 2Q upon 1 minus Q square, P plus R upon 1 minus PR, 2Q upon we know Q square is PR, तो ये PR के जगह पे Q square आ जाएगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ देयरफॉर क्या होगा 2Q इक्वल टू P plus R implies P plus R implies P, Q and R are in AP, but P, Q and R are already in GP. Means P equal to Q equal to R. ये तभी पॉसिबल होगा कि जब P, Q, R इक्वल होगा, तभी P, Q, R AP में भी आएगा और GP में भी आएगा. ये दोनों इक्वेशन साथ में तभी सेटिस्फाई होगा जब ये इक्वेशन, ये दोनों इक्वेशन P और R इक्वल है, P Q R तीनों इक्वल है, तभी ये सेटिस्फाई होगा और ये भी साथ में सेटिस्फाई होगा. ऑलराइट, आंसर आएगा A. P Q R, P इक्वल टू Q इक्वल टू R. नेक्स्ट 215. H is harmonic mean of P and Q. Therefore, H is equal to 2PQ upon P plus Q. So what will be value of H upon P? 2Q upon P plus Q, and H upon Q will be 2P upon ये P को नीचे ले लिया तो आएगा 2Q अपॉन, और इधर Q को नीचे ले लिया. हमको वैल्यू फाइंड करना है H अपॉन P प्लस H अपॉन Q, दैट इज 2Q अपॉन P प्लस Q, 2P अपॉन P प्लस Q, दैट इज 2 टाइम्स P प्लस Q अपॉन P प्लस Q. कैंसल होके 2 इज द आंसर. H अपॉन P प्लस H अपॉन Q, आंसर आएगा 2, ऑप्शन A. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने 196 से लेके 215 तक किया. आज हमने किया प्रोबेबिलिटी का सम्स किया, सीक्वेंस सीरीज का सम्स किया, हमने कोनिक्स किया, ऑलराइट, एंड वी हैव डन सेट रिलेशन फंक्शंस. ऑलराइट, तो ये 4 चैप्टर 11th स्टैंडर्ड का हमने रिवाइज किया. वी हैव रिवाइज कोनिक्स, वी हैव रिवाइज्ड योर सेट रिलेशन फंक्शंस and probability, and we have revised finally your sequence and series. All right, next lecture mein we'll be completing the revision part of this MHT CET. All right, keep working hard, only few days are remaining now. Thank you.